How to create goofy artwork. Part 2. Flat colors. First, prepare the colors you will need. To color line art, select the line art, right-click Shape Builder tool from the toolbar and select Live Paint Bucket. Press Alt on your keyboard to select colors. Select the color you want from the color palette. Click on the part you want to color. The other way is, click on Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Create a square and place it under the line art. Tips: hold Ctrl and press left square bracket on your keyboard to place selection one step backward. Hold Ctrl and press right square bracket on your keyboard to place selection one step forward. Hold Ctrl Shift and press left square bracket on your keyboard to place selection to the back. Hold Ctrl Shift and press right square bracket on your keyboard to place selection to the front. Now, select both. Go to Pathfinder tool and click Merge. Right-click selection and go to Isolate Selected Group. Delete the parts you don't need. Select the part you want to color and select Eyedropper tool from the toolbar. Choose the color you want. Repeat this step to the other parts. Now, let's try it.